So we are here at the very famous site in Filipino tourist attraction spot. This is called Puerto Princesa Underground River or Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. It was considered as an UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999, while in 2012 it was voted as New Seven Wonders of Nature. Very famous cave is here, and the cave is 8.2 kilometer long. But for the visitors, you can go by boat to 4 kilometers or 3 kilometers. Then there are very interesting limestone formations inside this cave, and these are called stalactites or stalagmites. Stalactites are actually the formations which hangs from the ceilings in the cave, while the stalagmites are the formations which grow from the cave floor. And it is believed that these formations were formed 30 million years ago. So these are the limestone formation, and from these formation, the scientists and the paleontologists actually uh, paleontologists guessed the age of this cave as well. Interestingly, you can see some of the formations take the shape of jellyfish, dinosaurs, umbrella, mushrooms, man head, and some of the like the cucumbers, like the vegetable shapes. So they are very interesting. There are some chambers inside the cave. They are divided into chambers. Like one of the broad chamber, the large one is called Italian chamber. And there are rules for the visitors. When you are entering the cave, you will be handed uh, a device with a hands free. So you will plug that hands free in your ear, and they will play the instructions, and they will play the information audio in that device. You cannot touch the walls or any of the limestone formation inside the cave. You cannot talk. You are not allowed to touch the water, just because there are some uh, organisms, and there are a lot of uh, creatures, and inside the cave there are birds, some other animals. But these restrictions are for the purpose that they want to preserve the area, because if the person touch any of the formation, there are microorganisms mm, in the walls, on the walls, in the water. But when you touch the wall or you touch any of the surface there, the microbiota or the microorganisms, the bacteria from your hand will transfer to that area, and this transfer or the shift of bacteria from your hand to the that ecosystem will disturb their natural ecosystem. And here is a very interesting phenomena, like this river directly flows into the sea, and the lower part, the half part, is also exposed to the tides, the sea tides. So this water is not enough salty to be considered as salt water, but this like it's more salty than the fresh water, and it's very rich. The here is very rich flora and fauna.